In an interesting turn of events, 21 former judges have penned a letter to Chief Justice of India Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud expressing concern over escalating attempts by certain factions to undermine the judiciary through calculated pressure, misinformation, and public disparagement. In the letter, the retired judges say that they are concerned about tactics of misinformation and the orchestration of public sentiment against the judiciary, which was detrimental to democratic principles. The retired judges, including 4 from the Supreme Court, accused certain elements of being motivated by narrow political interests and personal gains. They alleged that these elements were attempting to sway judicial processes by casting aspersions on the integrity of the courts and the judges. The retired judges condemned the selective praise of judicial decisions and criticized attempts to influence judicial outcomes in favor of certain individuals and causes. The practice of selectively praising judicial decisions that align with one's views while vehemently criticizing others undermine the very essence of judicial review and the rule of law, they said. The retired judges include 4 from the Supreme Court that have now retired, which are Justices Deepak Verma, Krishna Murari, Dinesh Maheshwari, and M.R. Shah. 17 retired High Court judges from Delhi, Mumbai, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Allahabad, Gujarat, Jharkhand, Punjab and Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala and Uttarakhand have also signed the said letter. They called on the judiciary to take action against such pressures and ensure the preservation of the sanctity and autonomy of the legal system. The judges alleged that such actions not only disrespected the sanctity of the judiciary, but also posed a direct challenge to the principles of fairness and impartiality that judges, as guardians of law, have sworn to uphold. They further claimed that such behavior was pronounced in cases and causes of social, economic, and political significance, including the cases involving certain individuals, wherein the lines between advocacy and maneuvering are blurred to the detriment of judicial independence. The letter comes days after 600 lawyers wrote a similar letter to the CJI, raising similar concerns about attempts to influence the judiciary in cases involving political leaders and corruption charges.
Click on the link in the description to read more about the story. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to Law Today for more updates about what is happening in courts across the country.